Quanzhou Bangle Machinery Equipment Company Limited has been committed to manufacturing and supplying powder coating equipment and spare parts with experienced workers, professional engineers, dedicated administrators, advanced processing equipment, and 5,000 square meters manufacturing space. Bangle is capable of offering powder coating equipment and spare parts of high quality, best cost, and fast delivery. Bangle owns production line for molds designing and development, CNC processing, injecting and assembling. Bangle provides competitively priced spare parts including venturi, insert sleeves, nozzles, cables, powder pumps, adapters, cartridge filters, electrodes, hose connections, hose and tubing, O-rings, deflectors, etc. Bangle is your best one-stop shop for aftermarket spare parts of powder coating equipment